You're welcome.
Finally. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I hope you guys had a lovely and fun holiday. I did, and sadly the holidays are over. If you're new to this channel and you see my face for the first time, let me remove my glasses so you can see me well. If you see my face for the first time, kindly subscribe, like this video. If you're a returning subscriber, you're already my G now. You know how we run things. Anyways, this will be my first video of the year. I'm actually on my way to the beach right now. I don't know if you guys can see my outfit. It's a beach outfit. So I'm on my way to Landmark Beach right now. I want to go for boat cruise and some other fun beach activities. I'm going to be vlogging, so this is me opening up the video, and yeah.
It's not just her bed, she liked the pop. She was living la vida loca. She had down like a truck. That's like what? Baby, will you what? I think I'm thinking again. She had down like a truck. That's like what? All night long, yeah. Let me see that.
See your pass, please. Let me check your pass. You're welcome.
Hey guys, so I want to do the boat cruise, so I'm just in like this waiting area. So yeah, I'm just catching you guys up. Bye. I'm living my best life. I hope you are too. Period. Safe journey. Oh my god!
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Still trying to understand this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Maybe it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up, girl. Now somebody's on next up. Damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you because you let him. Fucking girl, I guess you didn't know any. Girl, that man didn't show any. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately, you say you feeling it. Gotta be sick of this. Pull up skirt, get in the ride. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up his lip and behind. Shout it, losing the sleep. Losing it. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, tell him just listen. Said he keeps on playing games and his love ain't the same. Don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide.
So I'm leaving now. This is the exit. I'm so happy I came here. I had such a nice time and I would like to visit this place again, definitely.